So today I wanted to spray paint my dresser. I already laid down some tape, as you can see, in between the drawers. And I laid down some paper on the walls and the floor just in case the spray paint gets anywhere. I was previously going to use this vinyl that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby, but then I realized those rolls that you get aren't enough. Like, I didn't have enough left over, and I had already used it on my bookshelf, and I didn't have enough to cover the surface of all the drawers. And I didn't really have enough of the squares either to go along the front of them. So I decided spray paint was the next best bet. Why is that happening? No. Should I just tap it? I thought this was gonna turn out amazing. So since this obviously didn't turn out like how I thought it would, and since I didn't really have a backup plan, I ran out of spray paint too, as you can see. It didn't even cover all of the drawers, mostly because I messed up on the first drawer. So that's probably why you should have a plan going into these things. But whenever I do these things, it always seems like it falls a little downhill. Just because I don't know what I'm doing. So anyway, I'm enlisting my sister's help because she was like, I've seen this cool galaxy print online. And I was just like, yeah, like, you know, sure, whatever, come help me. And come do that. Because I don't know how to fix this. I don't know how to salvage it. So, yeah.
가는 커피 꺼져가는 촛불 같아 좁혀져도 절대 안 좁혀지는 우리 사이 나도 사실 내 입으로 말하기 싫어서 계속 기다린 거야 알고 있어도 서로 지쳐서 힘내보자는 거야 우린 그만큼 했어 나도 알아 근데 이대로 끝인 게 아까워 하지만 또 다시 우리 생각해보면
here's the finished product, and here you'll also hear the fan on maybe a little bit because the fumes are really noxious and I opened my window up late. So yeah.